When people imagine profitable traders, they often picture fast decisions, constant chart watching, and dramatic wins. But the reality is very different. Profitable traders don't look busy, they don't look stressed, and most of what makes them successful happens quietly. In this video, we're going to explore the quiet habits of profitable traders, the things that rarely get talked about but make all the difference over time. 1. They trade less than you expect. One of the biggest surprises for new traders is how little profitable traders actually trade. They aren't glued to charts all day. They aren't jumping into every move. They're selective. Profitable traders understand that being active is not the same as being effective. They wait, they observe, and when nothing meets their criteria, they simply don't trade. This habit alone protects them from overtrading, emotional decisions, and burnout. To them, patience isn't passive, it's a skill. 2. They walk away after making decisions. Another quiet habit is this. Once a trade is planned and placed, they step away. They don't watch every candle, they don't micromanage, they don't emotionally attach themselves to the outcome. Walking away protects their psychology. It removes fear during pullbacks. It removes greed during favourable moves. They understand that staring at a trade doesn't improve it. It only increases the chance of interference. 3. They care more about process than outcome. Profitable traders don't judge themselves by single wins or losses. They judge themselves by how well they followed their process. Did they respect their rules? Did they manage risk properly? Did they stay disciplined? A losing trade executed well is still considered a success. A winning trade taken impulsively is not. This habit creates emotional stability, and emotional stability is what allows consistency to compound. 4. They accept boredom. This one surprises a lot of people. Profitable trading is often boring. There are long periods of waiting, repetition, routine, no adrenaline, and that's exactly how profitable traders want it. They don't chase excitement, they avoid drama. They understand that excitement in trading usually comes from risk, not skill. Calm, boring trading is sustainable trading. 5. They control risk relentlessly. Profitable traders are almost obsessive about risk. They know exactly how much they're risking before entering a trade. They never increase position size emotionally. They never just this once break their rules. They understand one key truth. You don't need to win big, you need to not lose big. This quiet discipline is what keeps them in the game long enough for skill and probability to do their work. 6. They don't try to prove anything. Profitable traders aren't trying to prove they're right. They aren't trying to impress anyone. They aren't comparing themselves to traders on social media. They trade privately. They review honestly. They improve quietly. Their confidence comes from consistency, not validation. This detachment removes ego, and ego is one of the biggest account killers in trading. 7. They let time do the heavy lifting. Finally, profitable traders trust time. They don't rush progress. They don't force growth. They don't expect instant results. They understand that consistency compounds slowly and then suddenly. Most people quit right before this phase. Profitable traders stay. The quiet habits of profitable traders aren't flashy. They won't go viral, but they work. If trading feels loud, stressful, or exhausting, it's usually a sign something needs simplifying. Calm execution, clear rules, and patience over pressure. That's where real consistency is built. I hope this helps you on your trading path. For more trading videos, please subscribe to the channel.